Everest Chillers Private Limited, Coimbatore, are pioneers in customizable chillers manufacturing for various domains. Established in the year 1997, we started as a deep freezer manufacturing company. Later, with over many innovations and learnings, Everest Chillers has grown into a well-established industrial processing chillers company. Everest Chillers boasts of a well-established infrastructure. That fosters a productive working environment. The company's sprawling manufacturing unit covers an area of 30,000 square feet and is equipped with state-of-the-art machines and equipment. This advanced infrastructure enables Everest Chillers to deliver flawless products that adhere to the highest quality standards. With a focus on continuous improvement, the company stays abreast of the latest technological advancements in the field. Mr. M. Ravichandran, the esteemed mentor and managing director of Everest Chillers, has played a pivotal role in the company's growth and success. With over 35 years of experience in the HVAC and industrial refrigeration domain, his leadership has guided the company towards excellence. Under his guidance, the company has successfully installed its products both in India and overseas. Everest Chillers houses various facilities to cater to its customers' needs effectively. These facilities include an in-house designing unit, a research and development department, and a technical department. The company's commitment to innovation is evident through its dedicated research and development efforts, not only for its chiller performance, but also to reduce ozone depletion potential in its chillers. By incorporating the latest production techniques and leveraging the expertise of industry professionals, Everest Chillers ensures its products meet stringent quality parameters. These innovations are evident through textile humidification chillers, effluent chillers, and 1-degree water chiller with only water medium and no glycol. Customer satisfaction remains a top priority, and the company is dedicated to meeting and exceeding customer expectations through its unwavering commitment to quality, reliability, and prompt delivery. We stand as a manufacturing industry driven by a rich history and an unwavering commitment to excellence. The company's robust infrastructure enables the delivery of flawless products that consistently adhere to the highest quality standards. Through continuous innovation, stringent quality control measures, and a customer-centric approach, we have firmly established ourselves as a trusted partner for clients seeking top-quality chillers across various industries. With its impeccable track record and dedication to customer satisfaction, Everest Chillers continues to be a reliable and esteemed provider in the competitive chiller manufacturing market.